everybody, my name is Bree and I am the high one. So today I just want to show you my little hair colors. I am going to make that little patch of hair purple, and actually I was gonna do it at a salon, at the salon at which I work, but of course we all had to you know, shelter in place. So I'm going to just purchase the hair color from Amazon, and then I'm gonna apply it myself because I don't want to wait until we open back up, you know. But I did want you to see how pretty it was. Now this is a happy accident. My hairstylist Tyra put some color remover on the dark blue parts of my hair, and it didn't remove it all the way. Previously though, I got Cerise to remove some of the blue from my hair, and it got really light, but it still didn't take all the blue away. So but this right here is a happy accident, and this is like, this got like this mermaid feel to it, and it's right there, and I think it's just so cute. Is that cute or what? I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I get ready to change it. My hair, it needs a retightening. I would like to wait to get the retightening once I get back to the shop, because this is I don't like doing my own hair anymore. I'm spoiled, but I will color it. This is what it looks like in the back, and I might be kind of ashy because my eczema is acting up, but don't pay attention to that. Huh? I'm back here, girl, in this little room. It's actually kind of cluttered. You can come back here, but I was thinking I'm gonna bring that camera, this camera up to you. It's good to have friends like that. Yeah, I could turn it, I guess I could turn everything that way, and then we could just sit against that wall. Maybe that'll be better. I was gonna try to, well, I feel like only one person can comfortably fit right here. Oh. But I can flip it to make it face that way, then that way I can sit on that little chair right there. I have a lot of stuff and not enough space. I need a bigger house, actually. You got 3 backgrounds. You're a for real YouTuber. Girl, okay, but let me, I'll be back.